Our students are challenged to reach their highest academic potential. Our faculty is on hand to help students instilling character and values that will permeate every aspect of the student's life after they leave this school.
Having teachers that really care about you succeeding and they want you to succeed and overall just grow in your learning and as a person definitely makes a difference.
One of the questions that I get asked the most from prospective families is about our academics. We do have a very strong and rigorous program. Some families worry about whether or not it is too rigorous for their child. Others want to know whether or not it's going to challenge them enough. We do a good job in having 3 different levels of study that allows us to customize the schedule for your child.
The Academic 1 or A1 level of instruction, the students are challenged at a moderate pace and they are given some independent work. Academic 2 or A2 is a college prep level of instruction, and the student is given a lot of direction from the teacher. The skills, the content is a smaller amount for each test, and there's a lot more review. We also have an honors level of instruction that feeds into our advanced placement program. The honors level is designed for gifted students in a particular area. It feeds into our advanced placement program around sophomore year, but most of our students are taking AP courses primarily in junior and senior years. These courses move at a very accelerated pace, and the student is expected to work very independently in those classes. The advanced placement courses end up with a college board exam that's given in the spring semester, and the students who score a 3, 4, or 5 on those exams are eligible to receive college credit at certain institutions that they may want to attend. We have 15 advanced placement courses right now. We have multiple AP classes in the math department, in the science department, in social studies, and in English, and we also have AP art. Last year, in 2020, 80% of our students scored a 3, 4, or 5 on their AP exams in spring of 2020. Some students need some academic support in their classes, and so we have an accommodations program, and students are eligible to get an accommodations plan if they have had a psychoeducational evaluation within the past 3 years. Some of the typical things that are given to students on these plans are extended time, preferential seating, copies of class notes. But for those students that have executive functioning issues, what's really very important is their opportunity to take Learning Lab. For those students that have difficulty with keeping up with the steps in a long-term project or need some extra assistance beyond what their math teacher is offering them, Learning Lab is a great opportunity for students that need that service at Bishop England. We have an options program for students that have intellectual and developmental disabilities. The students in our options program are included in regular classes for the majority of each school day. We also have a program that's called Options Scholars, and students sign up for a class if they're interested. And what they do in that class is they work with the options students and teach them and help them socially as well as intellectually to achieve their potential. When students graduate from Bishop England, they frequently come back to our school and indicate what a great success their time in college was because of the preparation here. So we have a lot of students that are telling us that they are tutoring other people in their classes to write their papers and to learn math concepts and things like that. So our students are very successful at the college level, and the colleges in this state, I believe, know that. One of our greatest strengths in our academic program is what we do with the writing process. We are always struck by so many stories that come back from our students about how well prepared they were for the writing process. My own daughter graduated and went on to major in science, and the reason that she was so successful in majoring in chemistry was because she could write a flawless lab report. She still credits Bishop England High School with that ability. For more information about our academic program at Bishop England, you can go to our website, behs.com, and under Academics, you can see all of our course offerings.